I just received my domino rack. I've been needing one of these forever. I usually play dominoes with a group of friends, and we're always standing these up like this, and then when I'm reaching, they're always falling down. So this is going to be super handy. I love how it's kind of slanted right here. So when you put the dominoes in, let me show you this. When you put the dominoes in, it's really going to kind of make it slant so you can see it clearly. I love that. There's going to be about 30 dominoes that you can fit in each of these slots. There's 3 slots to fill. It's about 10 inches long and about 2.5 wide. So it's a good length. I love that they're stackable. So when I'm not using them, I can just stack them in my cupboard and I don't have to have them all laying about. But I love these. These are great gifts. I'm actually going to give these to each of the ladies that I do dominoes with. But I love that they have this. It's a gadget that you just can't live without. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.